If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Adding layers to a Photoshop document increases its file size. You can merge layers or flatten an image in Photoshop to reduce the number of layers and the overall file size. You can merge several selected layers together in the Layers panel of Photoshop to create a single layer that combines their content if you no longer need to edit their contents individually. After you merge layers or flatten an image and then save it in Photoshop, you can no longer revert the change. So, if needed, save a copy of the Photoshop document with the unmerged content if you are unsure whether you will need to edit the unmerged content in the future. To merge selected layers in Photoshop, select the layers to merge in the Layers panel. Then choose Layer, Merge Layers from the menu bar. Alternatively, to merge all layers within a layer group in Photoshop, select the layer group to merge. Then select Layer, Merge Group from the menu bar. Alternatively, to merge a selected layer into a raster layer below it in the Layers panel, click to select the layer in the Layers panel to merge. Then select Layer, Merge Down from the menu bar. Alternatively, to merge all visible layers in the Layers panel in Photoshop, first show or hide all the layers to merge in the Layers panel as needed. Then select Layer, Merge Visible from the menu bar. Alternatively, to merge linked layers together in Photoshop, select one of the linked layers to merge in the Layers panel. Then choose Layer, select Linked Layers from the menu bar to select the linked layers in the Layers panel. Finally, choose Layer, Merge Layers from the menu bar to merge all the selected linked layers. To merge all the layers in a clipping mask, which we will examine in detail in a later lesson, first hide any layers in the clipping mask you do not want to merge. Those layers are then deleted as part of the clipping mask merge if they remain part of the clipping mask. Alternatively, to keep them, remove them from the clipping mask first. Then select the bottommost layer in the clipping mask and rasterize it if needed by selecting Layer, Rasterize, Layer from the menu bar. To merge the layers in the clipping mask, then select Layer, Merge Clipping Mask from the menu bar. Alternatively, to manually merge the layers in a clipping mask in Photoshop, manually select all the layers in the clipping mask to merge in the Layers panel. Then choose the Layer, Merge Layers command from the menu bar to merge the selected layers as usual. In contrast to merging layers in Photoshop, flattening an image in Photoshop merges all visible layers into the background layer. This greatly reduces the file size. When you flatten an image in Photoshop, you discard all hidden layers from the image file and fill in any remaining transparent areas with the color white. This is usually the last step performed when working with an image file after performing all the necessary editing in the individual layers. To flatten an image in Photoshop, select Layer, Flatten image from the menu bar. If there are no hidden layers, then the layers are immediately flattened into the background layer. If there are any hidden layers to discard, a confirmation message box appears asking if you want to discard the hidden layers. To confirm you want to discard the hidden layers and continue to flatten the image, click the OK button in the confirmation prompt window. To cancel the flattening instead, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.